Harley-Davidson key fobs use a security system with an RFID chip that generates unique codes for protection. When you replace the CR232 battery, the fob loses power, causing it to lose its pairing. This triggers a security lockout on the bike. The quickest fix is resyncing the fob. Turn the ignition to on position, but not start. Then press the fob button within 5 to 10 seconds. Some models require cycling the ignition key 3 times. For 2020 and newer models, use the Harley app. Pair your phone via Bluetooth, then follow the in-app prompts to add the fob. This is the easiest method. If pairing fails, perform a security reset. Disconnect the battery for 30 seconds or use the app's reset feature. This clears the old pairing, allowing you to resync. Important tips: ensure the fob is close to the ignition, within 6 inches, and avoid interference from metal objects or electronics. Remember, 90% of these issues are user-related, not hardware failures, so double-check your procedure. If quick fixes don't work, try these troubleshooting steps. Use Harley-Davidson OEM batteries for better compatibility, as generic ones can degrade the RFID signal. For models without app support, or if you suspect a faulty ignition module, a dealer can reprogram the fob for $50 to $100. Looking ahead, Harley-Davidson is shifting toward digital keys and app-based access. Newer models like the Livewire S2 Del Mar already use app-only pairing. By 2030, physical fobs might be phased out entirely for biometric or wallet-based access. Keep your Harley app updated for the latest features and security protocols. If you're still having trouble, don't hesitate to contact your local Harley-Davidson dealership for assistance, especially if you suspect a hardware issue.